Welcome to another video, guys. So today's video is for the Vivo S1 and S1 Pro and other Vivo mobile phone users. So in today's video I will show you that if your camera settings have been corrupted or your kids did something with the camera and the resolution is not the same, then how you can reset it. And other than that, I will show you some pro settings, how you can use your camera, because the Vivo S1 and S1 Pro has so many options in their camera. And other than that, I will show you how you can use the Vivo S1 and S1 Pro camera for your TikTok videos. So before starting the video, if you are new on the channel, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So right now you can see, guys, that I'm inside the camera. So for example, I will go to DOC, and right now you can see this one is for the documents. So if you want to take the picture of the documents, you can take with it. Then there is the pro option. You can apply the ISO, SWB. You can manage it how you want to manage. Then there is the pano option. For example, I take the photo and now I will rotate all over the room and the room will come inside one picture. So for example, I will show you. So that's how you can take the picture with pano. And then we will go to the all beauty. This one is for the beauty of the face if you want to apply it. Then we'll go to the normal photo, and then we'll go to the wide option. Here I will show you this one. If you want to take a wide photo, like you don't have much space, you have to take wide photo. Then this one is for the portrait mode, and then you can go to the filters. These are different kind of filters, different kind of effects you can apply. And after that you can see the timer option here, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds if you want to apply. And on the top you can see with the settings option, you can see the live photo option. If you want to take a live photo, you can take with it. So after that you can see the face recognition option. So for example, I take the monochrome background, so you can see the background has become gray. Same like that, there are some other effects which have their specialities here, so you can apply them. Then you can see the HDR option with it, so you have to enable it. And then there is flashlight option, you can enable it. Okay, so guys, the setting is same for the portrait mode. So after that I will show you the video mode. For example, if you go to the video, and here on the top you can see different kind of options. For example, I will take this option. You can take the slow-mo, time-lapse if you want. Then after that I will go to the fun video, but this one is very interesting. For example, this one is for the TikTok video users. For example, if you apply this, and you can change. For example, I go to fast, and again I will apply this. Now you can see how the video is almost ready, but I will go to ultra slow, and now you can see the video is ready. How it will show your users. So right now you have seen that the video how it is made, like you can make it for TikTok videos. And then there you can see AR stickers, so we'll go there, like a boom, 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 boom. And now you can see the different effects here. Okay, so right now first of all we'll go to the settings, and here you can see the different kind of resolutions, 4:3, 19, 5:9, 16:9 for YouTube, and 1:1. You can take whichever you want. After that you can see on the second option, one is touch. For example, if you want to take a photo by a touch, you can take it. Then the second one is voice. For example, if you say cheese, the photo will be taken. The third one is palm. If you take your palm in front of the camera, the photo will be taken after that. So the third one is phone storage or SD card, so you can select anyone. Then the fourth one is time watermark. So if you apply this one, the time will come on your photo. The fourth one is model watermark. The watermark of the model of your smartphone will come in your photo. Then the next one is geographic locations. For example, if you are standing in any location, the location of the place will come in your photo. And then there are some other options like framing lines and portrait framing. So that's how you can apply the camera settings. And after that I will show you how you can reset the camera settings, because there is no reset option in your Vivo S1 and S1 Pro camera. So for example, after going to the settings, I will go down, and here you can see the more settings option. I will click on that, and here you can see the app manager option on the second one, so I will click on it. And now it's loading, so it will take a little bit of time. Now you can see here, you can see the camera. I will go there and I will go on the bottom open by default. I will click on it, and here you can see on the bottom the red sign clear defaults. I will click on it, and the settings will be reset. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.